Our liver is a powerhouse organ, working tirelessly to detoxify our body, process nutrients, and keep us healthy. However, in today's world filled with processed foods, alcohol, and environmental toxins, our liver can become overburdened. If you've ever felt sluggish, experienced digestive issues, or simply want to boost your overall health, it's time to give your liver a much-needed cleanse. Today, I'm going to share a highly effective liver cleanse that can rejuvenate your liver in just 3 days. This method stands out from the usual cleanses, as it's designed to be both powerful and gentle, ensuring you feel revitalized without feeling unwell. Let's dive into the details of this transformative cleanse, understand the science behind it, and explore the steps you can take to achieve optimal liver health. Main content: understanding liver cleansing. The liver's primary function is to detoxify the body by processing chemicals, medications, and toxins from our food and environment. It also helps eliminate dead cells, pathogens, and other waste products. A key process involved in liver detoxification is autophagy, where the body recycles old and damaged cells, turning them into new, healthy cells. This process is vital for maintaining the health and functionality of our liver and overall body. Here are the 7 most effective triggers for autophagy, ranked from the least to the most powerful. Phytonutrients. These plant-based compounds have a mild effect on triggering autophagy. Foods rich in phytonutrients, such as colorful fruits and vegetables, green tea, and herbs like turmeric, can help support the body's natural detoxification processes. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can provide the necessary nutrients and antioxidants to enhance liver function. Ketogenic diet. Reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing healthy fats can help trigger autophagy, promoting cellular cleansing and renewal. The ketogenic diet emphasizes low-carb, high-fat foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, which can aid in stabilizing blood sugar levels and supporting liver health. This diet has been shown to improve metabolic functions and promote the regeneration of liver cells. Exercise. Regular physical activity stimulates autophagy, helping to remove damaged cells and improve overall cellular health. Engaging in aerobic exercises, such as running, cycling, or swimming, and incorporating strength training can enhance the body's detoxification processes. Exercise increases blood flow, boosts oxygen supply to cells, and aids in the removal of toxins through sweat. Sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for autophagy. During deep sleep, the body repairs and regenerates, promoting detoxification and overall health. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to support liver function and overall well-being. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and avoiding stimulants before bedtime can improve sleep quality. Calorie restriction. Reducing calorie intake can enhance autophagy, supporting the liver in its detoxification efforts. Intermittent fasting or adopting a calorie-restricted diet can stimulate cellular repair and regeneration. This approach helps the body efficiently use its energy resources, promote fat loss, and reduce inflammation. Water fasting. Consuming only water for a period can significantly boost autophagy, helping to cleanse the liver and other organs. Water fasting allows the digestive system to rest, enabling the body to focus on detoxification and healing. Ensure you stay hydrated during the fast and consult a healthcare professional before starting a prolonged water fast. Dry fasting. The most powerful method, dry fasting, involves abstaining from both food and water. A 12-hour dry fast from sunrise to sunset can be as effective as 3 days of water fasting. Dry fasting triggers intense autophagy, leading to deep cellular cleansing and regeneration. This method allows the liver and kidneys to rest and repair, promoting overall health and vitality. The Liver Cleanse Protocol. To effectively cleanse your liver in 3 days, follow this simple yet powerful protocol. Dry fasting. Begin your dry fast at sunrise and end at sunset. This 12-hour fasting period will stimulate autophagy and allow your liver to rest and rejuvenate. During this time, your body will enter a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy, releasing stored toxins and promoting cellular repair. 1 meal a day, OMAD. After the fasting period, consume 1 meal at sunset. This meal should include cruciferous vegetables: broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, arugula, kale, bok choy, and cabbage are excellent choices. These vegetables contain compounds that support liver detoxification, such as sulforaphane and indole 3-carbinol. Cruciferous vegetables also provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that aid in digestion and overall health. Meat. Include a serving of lean meat, rich in amino acids, iron, and B vitamins. These nutrients are essential for detoxification and overall health. Opt for organic, grass-fed, or free-range meat to avoid exposure to antibiotics and hormones. Supportive supplements. Consider taking bile salts or TUDCA, tauroursodeoxycholic acid, to ensure bile flow and prevent any detox reactions. Bile salts help to dissolve any bile sludge or gallstones that might obstruct detoxification pathways. These supplements support the emulsification and absorption of fats, enhancing liver function and reducing the risk of gallbladder issues. Additional tips. Consume beets. Beets are excellent for thinning bile and supporting liver function. Include them in your diet as part of your meal. Beets contain betaine, which aids in detoxification, reduces inflammation, and supports liver health. You can consume beets raw, cooked, or as beet juice. Apple cider vinegar. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and drink it before meals to support digestion and bile flow. Apple cider vinegar helps balance pH levels, improve digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption. Benefits of this liver cleanse. Enhanced detoxification. By stimulating autophagy, this cleanse helps remove toxins, dead cells, and pathogens from the liver and other organs. The process enhances the liver's ability to filter and eliminate harmful substances, promoting overall health. Improved immune function. The cleansing process boosts the immune system, helping to fight off infections and illnesses. A healthy liver supports the production of immune cells and the elimination of pathogens, strengthening the body's defenses. Mental clarity. You'll experience improved cognitive function and mental clarity as your body eliminates toxins. Detoxification supports brain health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, enhancing focus and memory. Reduced inflammation. The anti-inflammatory effects of dry fasting and cruciferous vegetables help reduce overall inflammation in the body. Lower inflammation levels are associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, improved joint health, and better overall well-being. Rest and rejuvenation. The liver and kidneys get a much-needed break, allowing them to function more efficiently. This rest period enhances their ability to detoxify, regenerate, and support overall health. Conclusion. Cleansing your liver doesn't have to be a complicated or harsh process. With this 3-day protocol, you can support your liver's natural detoxification processes, boost your immune system, and improve your overall health. Remember, it's not just about the cleanse. Maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle is crucial for long-term liver health. Avoid processed foods, limit alcohol intake, stay hydrated, and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Give this cleanse a try and feel the difference in just 3 days. Share this method with your friends and family, and leave your comments below. Here's to a healthier, revitalized you. By taking proactive steps to support your liver, you can enhance your overall well-being and enjoy a more vibrant, energetic life.